What if the burger on your plate never came from a cow? What if the protein in your snack bar came from crickets or algae? Sounds strange? Well, this is not science fiction. It's the future of food. In today's video, we're diving into 3 revolutionary food sources that could change how the world eats: algae, insects, and lab-grown meat. Why we need a food revolution. By 2050, the world's population will hit nearly 10 billion. Feeding everyone will require 70% more food than we produce today. Traditional farming consumes massive amounts of land, water, and energy, and contributes to climate change. If we want to survive and thrive, we need sustainable, high-protein, eco-friendly alternatives, and that's where our 3 future foods come in. Algae, the green superfood. First up, algae. This microscopic plant might look simple, but it's a nutritional powerhouse, packed with protein, omega-3s, and vitamins. Spirulina and chlorella are already used in health supplements, but future algae farms could produce sustainable biofuel, animal feed, and even replace soy in human diets. Why is it so promising? It grows fast, requires little water, and captures CO2 while producing oxygen. Imagine getting your daily protein from a glass of green algae juice and saving the planet while you sip. Insects, the protein of the future. Next up, insects. Around 2 billion people already eat insects daily, from grasshoppers in Mexico to silkworms in Thailand. They're rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, and raising them requires a fraction of the land and water of cattle. Crickets, for example, produce 100 times less greenhouse gas than cows. The challenge? The ick factor. But companies are sneaking cricket flour into protein bars, snacks, and pasta, so you might be eating bugs without even knowing it. Could insects be the secret to feeding the world? Lab-grown meat, the no-kill revolution. Finally, lab-grown meat, also called cultivated meat. Instead of raising and slaughtering animals, scientists grow real meat from animal cells in bioreactors. The result? Real beef, chicken, or fish, without factory farming, without antibiotics, and without the environmental destruction. The first lab-grown burger cost $330,000 in 2013. Today, companies like Upside Foods and Eat Just are bringing the price down to near supermarket levels. Will lab-grown meat replace traditional farming? Maybe not completely, but it could revolutionize how we eat. The future of food. Will we accept it? So, will we embrace algae smoothies, cricket snacks, and lab-grown steaks? Change is never easy, but as resources dwindle, these innovations might not be optional, they might be essential. The future of food isn't about giving up what we love. It's about finding new, sustainable ways to enjoy it. Would you try lab-grown meat or an insect protein bar? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating looks into the future of science, technology, and our planet.